All right, so this activity is called BookFace, not to be mistaken with Facebook, but BookFace. So let's give it a try. Did it work? How about this one? Or this one? How about this one? Okay, now this is the trick. If the image is big, you have to push it forward. Oh, no, you have to pull it further back. And you have to figure out how to get your head to work with it. Here's another one. This one's closer to my face size. Oh yeah. With the profile. Let me get this chin thing going here. Okay, that should work. Bang your head, dudes. Bang your head. You looking at me? What? You got something to say? Come over here. Yo. Now, if the face is smaller than your face size, then bring it up closer to the camera and then move your head into there, okay? So I could be itching my hair, cleaning my ears, touching my non-existent mouth. It does not have to be a human or an animal that is around. It can be an endangered animal. It can even be something that's not alive. Ready? Hello, students. I'm getting kind of old for this. And since we're following that theme, let's go with this one. Yes indeed. I can see clearly now. Okay, I'd like to demonstrate one more time what to do when the picture is quite small compared to your own face. Once again, move it close to the camera until it's about the size of your head, then ease it over. Okay, that's about right. Gaga goo goo. Ding. So thank you. I can't wait to see your book faces. Take care. Thank you.